Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by putting the jeans on and pinning where excess fabric sits. Mark the waist and hips in 0. 5 2-inch increments so the change is symmetric. Once done, remove the waistband stitches where necessary with a seam ripper. Keep belt loops and button intact. Then try the jeans inside out and run a few pins along the center back and side seams to visualize the new silhouette. Make sure to move naturally to check fit. Adjust pins until the comfort feels right. Next, transfer your pin lines to fabric with tailor's chalk and measure a consistent seam allowance of 1/2 to 1 inch. You'll sew new seams using a straight stitch and a denim needle. This ensures durable stitches through thick layers. Once stitched, try them on again, then trim excess fabric leaving the seam allowance. Make sure to finish raw edges with a zigzag stitch or serger to prevent fraying. This adds longevity. Adjust tension and stitch length for clean, flat seams so the jeans sit smoothly. To finish, reshape or trim the waistband so the new waist measurement aligns with your marked center back. Keep the original button and rise placement for a natural look. Once the waistband is repositioned, top stitch it and top stitch any altered seams using a slightly longer stitch for strength. Press everything with a hot iron and steam to set seams. For the final try-on, check hem length and make small adjustments. If puckering or gaping appears, unstitch a bit, redistribute fabric, and resew that area as a troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.